Do you need Xero if you use Stripe? Stripe processes payments and Xero handles accounting. Do you really need both? Let's break it down. Stripe is a payment processor. It lets you accept credit cards, digital wallets, and subscriptions online. It's built for transactions and not full accounting. Xero is cloud accounting. It organizes invoices, expenses, reconciles bank feeds, and generates tax reports. It's built for bookkeeping and compliance. When connected, Stripe transactions flow into Xero automatically. You can reconcile payouts, attach receipts, and generate reports without manual entry. If you're a freelancer just collecting payments, Stripe alone may be enough, but you'll need manual tracking for taxes and reports. For small businesses, using both makes sense. Stripe handles payments, while Xero keeps your books audit ready and tax compliant. Stripe is for payments and Xero is for accounting. Together, they give you a streamlined workflow. Collect money, reconcile, and report with ease. And that is the easy guide to Stripe and Xero.